Good afternoon, dear teacher. I will explain my plan class with the respective materials to first bachelor. Okay, the lesson plan 1, the theme is the weather. Okay, for the grade first bachelor, time of the class is 40 minutes. Okay. The objective for my class, with the skill listening, a student will be able to identify on the following instruction. Speaking, a student will be able to accurately name different types of weather. Reading, a student will be able to recognize the new specific vocabulary words. Writing, a student will be able to construct their own sentence using information about the weather types. Okay. Continue with the methodology used for this class. A methodology and strategy. Methodology: communicative language teaching, total cycle response, audio lingual method, and use the strategy world-class word, looking at big poster about the weather types. Other paid work, describing and writing sentences about the weather, images, communicative activities in class. The next, with anticipatory set, the teacher talks about the different weather types, the weather in the capital, in the city where they are living. Okay. Also, the teacher asks about the weather when students travel to vacation. This can be with their friends, parents, among others. They remember each type of the weather. Yeah, continue with the plan. Is main teaching input. Okay, this is an important principle for the class. Warm up activity. The teacher asks about what type of weather a student prefer and why. The next, the teacher will write on the board the new vocabulary: sunny, cloudy, rainy, stormy, thunder, twister, windy, and dreadful. Okay, the teacher will read each new word and the student will repeat. Then the teacher will ask the student if they can know the meaning of each word. They will translate the word into the mother tongue. Okay. Another teacher show a big poster in order to help with visual aid. Then the teacher show the structure and how to construct the sentence by adding, and for example, sun, sunny, cloudy, entonces, and the I. Continue. Teacher writes some examples on the board and asks to the student to help in orally way to complete the work. Continue. Teacher monitors students to participate in class. Once all the words are complete, teacher and students repeat their pronunciation. Okay. Continue. A student practice the dialogue in pairs, audiolingual method. Continue. Teacher use the mimic to help with their understanding, total cycle response. And finally, teacher and student conclude the class by review the topic briefly. Okay. Number 6, modeling. Yeah, okay. The example teacher gives at the beginning of the class and the answer to the exercise will be provide students with clear, contextualized models. They will show student correct form and examples of use in the real context. Okay, number 7, with practice. Students work in groups to foster cooperative activity by developing an class an activity with both result and crossword. The teacher walks around the class to monitor the activity. Okay, while the students are working, the teacher has more opportunity to focus attention on a particular student. At the end of the activity, they check the answer with the whole group. Whole group were checking the answer. Okay, continue. Number 8, independence practice. And this topic or the lesson plan, the students have to form sentences in a orally way about the weather, basement in the poster stuck on the board. The teacher makes correction in the case there are any error when the pronouns or form of the sentence. Okay, continue with the number 9, assignment. Students were in the pairs worksheet to write description in front of each image or picture. Okay, finally, number 10, closing review and the following up. In this, the class will be concluded by review the topic by 5 for homework. A student will be write 5 sentences containing the different weather types. Okay. Yeah. In this class, it's important use a big picture for the students because they learn more with the imagine and then is the pronunciation. The teacher will in group. Okay. For example, I use in my class the post the weather with sun, sunny, cloudy, rain, rainy, snow, snowy, stormy, high, halving, windy. Okay, I use in a bigger post. Another, for example, in the worksheet, Pi works in the class. The students helps each in group. For example, with the student have more memorized, helps another students that don't understand in this class. Okay, another activity important for me that use in this class is the crossword group work in the group. For example, in the worksheet I use cloudy. The student search a word, a letter that complete the work. Yeah. This is materials that use in my class. About another important is look a video that look this topic. Okay, this is my lesson plan for first bachelor. Thank you. Bye bye.